Welcome to the video tutorial about how to map road alignments to water distribution alignment line in the ESurvey Water Distribution Software. Mapping road alignments to water distribution alignment line is an optional feature. This procedure is required in case if you want to show the road name in the profile. Naming road alignments. Open the plan drawing having road alignments represented by a polyline in PL layer. Run ATRA command to attach the road name to an alignment. Select the road alignment line and select the text with the road name to attach the road name to an alignment. Run RDRA command to read a road name from an alignment. Select the road alignment line to read the road name from the alignment. To mark names from road alignment names, run the MRRA command. Select the road alignments for making the names. Run FDRA command to find the duplicate road alignment names. Select the road alignments to find the duplicate road alignment names. To find the road alignment from its name, run the FNRA command. Type the road name which you want to find and then select the alignments to find the road alignment from its name. With these preparations, your drawing files will be ready. Now you can export the information from the drawing to the water distribution interface. Run EXRA command to export road alignment polyline information. Select road alignments and then select entities. Import road network center lines. In the road network center lines window, you can import the details of road network center lines by clicking the Import button in Import Road Network tab. To map road details to pipe, click the Map Road to Pipe tab and enter the section interval and road width and click the Map Road to Pipe button. If you map road alignments to water distribution alignments, further, when you are preparing profiles, the road names will be displayed in the profile. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, you have learned how to map road alignments to water distribution alignment line in the ESurvey Water Distribution Software. In the next video, you will learn how to set your preferences in the project settings screen.